Oh, Joe!
Yes, Papa.
Come on, come here. Enter inside me.
No, Papa.
You were talking to me that day that your
My form teacher asked us to bring money for school fees, Papa.
for school fees, that's all.
Yes, Papa.
No problem. Ojo, spell Ojo.
Okay, Papa.
Come on, come back here. Come back here. Come, spell Ojo, you are reversing.
Okay, Ojo. OBJO, Papa.
Ojo, OBJO.
OBJO.
Hey.
This is difficult now. You know
It's difficult. SS2. Ojo, SS2. No problem.
Thank you, Papa.
Come back here. The correct spelling for that your Ojo is Joe. Sorry. I mean, the right way to spell Ojo is Joe Bojo.
Papa, what?
Don't. I'm trying to give you something. Don't. You want to spell Ojo is BJO. Sorry, I mean Joe Ojo.
You have to go to Pioneer.
I have to go to Pioneer. Ojo, leave here. Ojo, leave.
OBJ.